Being a college student can be hard. Life's constantly changing every hour between school, work, athletics, friends, and everything else. I'm going to show you how I plan my days to stay productive in college. There are 3 elements that contribute to my productivity system. First is a calendar. This calendar usually has general events and specific times for those events. The next element is a list of all my assignments that I have due for school. Finally, I have a planner that I bring it all together in. I'm technology based, but you don't have to be. All of this can be done on as simple as a few pieces of paper. The calendar I use is Google Calendar. This is home to all my scheduled events, whether it's classes, practices. All of these things usually have a specific time that I have to do them. The second I get a new event, I try and quickly put it in Google Calendar so that it never gets lost. The best part about Google Calendar is that it's available on all my devices. I can pull up my calendar on my phone, my iPad, my computer, wherever I need it. To keep track of all my assignments, I use Notion. This includes schoolwork, personal projects, anything with a deadline. Here, I can easily keep track of all of my deadlines using my student dashboard. I have a video on how I use Notion. I'll leave it linked in the description below. Again, Notion is also cross-compatible, so I can pull it up on my phone, my iPad, computer, wherever I need it. As my planner, I use Goodnotes 5. I was able to create a custom journal to fit my personal needs. I'm able to easily plan my day, create to-do lists, and list my priorities for a day. Along with this, I have some reflection questions that I answer at the end of each night. This helps me reflect and remember everything that I did within a day. I've developed a routine to plan my day every single night. First, I use Google Calendar to fill in all the events that I have within that day. Next, I use my Notion template to tell me exactly when my deadlines are due. This helps me get an overview of how much time I need to be spending on homework every single day. Finally, I fill in all the blank space with any personal projects that I might want to get done, along with things like hanging out with friends or anything else. This is what I've found to work well for me over experimenting with different productivity systems over the past couple of months. I found that I get a lot more done when I'm able to plan my day in this way. If this doesn't work for you, change the systems and adapt it to work for whatever lifestyle that you live. Remember, links to everything will be down in the description below. If you got value from watching, check out my next video where I show you exactly what my morning routine looks like as a college student.